7, right? Right? That hand and that, 7, right? Plus 1 more. Keep this hand up. Now count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good job! See, that wasn't so hard. Don't cry. Okay? Come. You did good all the other ones. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Stop crying. Okay? Stop
Why
crying.
am I crying?
What's 9? Look. What's 9 plus 1?
2, 1, 2, 1.
9. This whole hand plus 4 makes 9, right? And then plus 1. So what's this? How many fingers you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,